times in his rhymes cause his memories. We running through New York so you never leave. Strap my lungs then we puffin' through with that, right? We're giving them some stories, they come back like manic this, manic that, while you crawling to me. The how we gonna...
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, I haven't posted for quite a few days. We have been extremely busy. I've been busy doing things other places and for other people. I've been extremely hectic. It's been really busy for the last few days. So now we're back to shooting videos. This is just really a small video. So as you guys know, my E60 is up for sale. I am changing it back to the silver grills. I did purchase the silver grills off someone off eBay. We're taking the black ones off today. I'm going to put the silver ones back on. I'm just going to put it back to standard, the way it's meant to be, and then sell it the way it's meant to look. I believe with a black car, silver grills are the best way. The black grills don't stand out and they don't look good on the car also. I'm just going to put it back. A lot of you guys like the black grills, black kidney grills. I know BMW are doing them for the cars also, but I don't want them. So they're coming off the car. I'm going to show you how to get them off, and then we're just going to put the other ones back on. Now, I don't mind if I snap them because I'm looking to keep these black ones, but if they do snap, it is a common problem. They shouldn't do because they haven't been on that long. So we'll take them off and then we'll bung these ones on. So I'm going to put you on my head cam so you guys can see. Okay guys, so to get the grills off, the first thing you're going to want to do is pull up this trim right here, which is the rubbers. And as you'll see, the clips are right here now. These ones should come out because they haven't been in long and they're not going to be all rotted up like most of them. Now all you want to do is just push down on the clips. As you see now, they do hold in pretty tight, so be aware of that. As you see, the clips do come out, but sometimes you just have to break them out like that. Now I don't really care, as I didn't pay for them, so they were just on the car when I bought it, so they have to come out. And if that's the only way, then so be it. They come out easy. Now, as you'll see, they're all out. No clips are stuck inside, which is what you want to make sure. Now, I will go ahead and tell you, make sure you buy yourself a new pair of grills. And if you're going to do grills, here you can get your parking sensors. As you'll see right here, they sit in the position here under the grills. And the same for this one, for the center ones. Now, as you know, you can take out the headlight and get to the other sides. But for the front, you can get to them right here with the grills out. Now, as you'll see here, we've got the original ones to go back on, which are right here with all the clips. Now, as you'll see, we're putting the original ones back in, which is going to tidy the car fully back up. So we'll just push them and snap in. And now we're going to do the same for this one, which, as you'll see, just line it up. Make sure you line it always up because obviously you just don't want to be breaking them. Now, as you see, the car's now back to its original self. This was what was on the car. They are okay, but not for this color car. This is carbon black, and as I said to you guys, if you're going to be a carbon black, I mean, on a silver car, black looks nice, but on this car, the chrome looks a lot better. You guys comment and let me know what you think. You can see the difference right there. Turn it around for you. Oh, just put it like that. What do you guys think now? You can see it right there. I wonder what you guys think about that. What looks better? But I personally prefer the chrome. I'm old school. So the guy who owned it put it on the car. I'm not a big fan of it. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is just clip all this back down. As you'll see right here, just clip it back down. Make sure it's in. Now, as you'll see there, the grills are in and they look absolutely nice again. The car looks original. Let's shut the bonnet and look at that. I'm happy now it's back to its original self. Now when people see it from the front, they see it as a normal BMW until it goes past them with the exhaust. So they will never think that this is the car with the loud exhaust, you know. It looks like a normal BMW from the front, and that's the look I want to give it. But as you see there guys, grills are complete and the car's back to its former self, and I'm very happy. Okay guys, so as you can see now, I've just changed the grills on my E60 back to the original grills. I know it really wasn't something major, but I just thought I'd show you guys how to remove them. Like I said, do not remove them like that if you want to keep the grills. The only time you remove them like that is if you're changing the grills. Like, you can break the clips off, but if you do want to keep the grills, say you want to sell them or you want to refit them at any time, you've got them to keep them. But they're very hard, I warn you. If they're original ones and they've been on there for the whole time of the car, the clips will be very, very hard to get off, and it's likely you're going to break them anyway. It's very hard for anyone to get them off without breaking at least 3-4 clips on this car. So trust me, just make sure you change. If you're going to change them, be aware that you may break the clips. As you'll see right there, that's the car now, back with the chrome grills, and it looks a lot more tidy, I think. it gives the car back its look from originality from when it lifted manufacture. So thank you very much for watching, guys. There is going to be other videos coming, so stay tuned for that. I've got another one that a lot of you guys are going to need to see because it's very important for your car, and this can affect the brake wobble in your car, so be sure to check this video out. Please stay tuned and subscribe if you ain't subscribed already for the next videos to come out. This is BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.